What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. Did you connect a scanner to your Windows 11 computer but it's not being detected? Maybe your scanning app says no scanner found or the device doesn't appear in Windows settings at all. This usually happens because of driver problems, disabled services or connection issues between Windows and the scanner. One of the most common causes is a Windows service called Windows Image Acquisition, also known as WIA, which scanners only rely on to work properly. The good news is that you can usually fix this problem in just a few minutes, because in this video I'll show you safe and simple ways to fix scanners not detected in Windows 11, including restarting the WIA service and checking scanner drivers. Let's start with the most common fix, which is restarting the Windows Image Acquisition service. Many scanners rely on background Windows services called Windows Image Acquisition. If this service stops running, Windows will not detect scanners correctly. So all you have to do is press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box. Type services.msc, then press Enter. A list of Windows services will appear. Just scroll down until you find Windows Image Acquisition, or WIA. Right-click this service and choose Restart. If the service is not running, click Start instead. Restarting it refreshes the scanning system in Windows, and after doing this, try opening your scanning app again and see if the scanner appears. Now if not, let's check if the scanner appears in devices. You need to confirm that Windows detects the scanner as a hardware device. Just open your Windows settings. Then head to Bluetooth and devices. Select printers and scanners. Look through the list to see if your scanner appears. If the scanner is listed, click it and try running a test scan. If the scanner does not appear in the list, Windows may not recognize the device yet. In that case, continue to the next step. Now, connection issues can also prevent Windows from detecting scanners, so let's reconnect it. Just disconnect the USB cable from the computer. Wait about 10 seconds, then reconnect the scanner to a different USB port if possible. After reconnecting, Windows should attempt to detect the scanner and install the driver automatically. Once connected, check printers and scanners again to see if the device appears. Sometimes reconnecting the device is enough to fix detection problems. Now, if the scanner is still undetected, let's update or reinstall scanner drivers. Just right-click on the Start button. Select Device Manager. Then look for a category called Imaging Devices or Other Devices. If you see your scanner listed there, right-click it and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will check for newer drivers and install them if available. If Windows cannot find the driver, you may need to download the latest scanner driver from the manufacturer's website. After installing the driver, restart your computer and try scanning again. And finally, if else fails, the Windows also includes built-in troubleshooting tools for devices, so let's run the Windows troubleshooter for scanners. Just open Settings again. Click on System, then select Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters and look for Printer or Hardware Troubleshooter, then click Run. Even though the tool is labeled for printers, it can sometimes detect problems with scanners connected to the same system. Follow the instructions and allow Windows to attempt automatic fixes. And that's how you fix a scanner not detected in Windows 11. Most of the time, restarting the Windows Image Acquisition service or reinstalling the scanner driver solves the problem. And if your scanner still isn't detected, leave a comment with your scanner model and Windows version and I'll try to help you out. And for more quick Windows troubleshooting guides, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on the next video.